Hi, it's Sandra, and today I can't believe that Halloween is a week from Thursday, but I was sitting there thinking, oh my gosh, I still have 2 more plates from the box of shadows. It was a box of shadows? Now I can't remember anything. Box of night, sorry, not box of shadows, box of night, that I have not done a manicure for. So this one I'm going to do today is M513. And, you know, like I said, when I first look at these boxes, I'm like, ugh, I don't know if I like that or not. But as you get to work with it, it's always, you always figure out things to do with them. And I think it just makes it a lot more enjoyable. So anyway, we're going to do M513. And these are the colors that I picked out for the nails. So I got black. I got this color with the glitter in it. And this is Jack-O-Lantern Blaze. And this is by Glisten and Glow. And it's got the black, orange, and yellow, and gold in it. It's really pretty. And then I just did a purple, which to me that's a medium purple, and that's by OPI, and it's called Do You Lilac It. So that's an OPI, okay? And then I did just regular black, and this is Essie's Black Licorice. And the last one I did was the white, and that's Penelope Lutz. And this one is Peace on Earth. This is a really cool color. So there you go. There's the colors I used. Now, the first thing I want to make sure that I do is put the some of the smudge-free top coat on the sparkle ones, or I'm sorry, on the glitter ones. So that way we have a little bit more even surface, and hopefully it'll make our image flat. And then I'm going to have to put some on the other ones as I do them, because I did do these a while ago. So they are not sticky anymore. So let's do this one. Okay, so I got the 2 glitter ones, and I got this one. Okay, so on the black one, what I was thinking about doing is I want to do this right here. And I think these are spider webs. So I want to do the white on the black. So I'm going to get some white here. Get this out of the way. And I did reverse paint 4 of them. So this is the only one that I did not reverse paint. Okay, looking for my stamp. Oh, used up a lot of my stampers already. So there that is. Push this aside. Here's my nail. I'm always afraid when something is this solid of a design, if the background will actually show up. And that actually looks pretty good. So I thought at first, it was like, oh my gosh, it looks like snowflakes, but it's actually spider webs. I thought that was kind of cool. So we did that one. So now I want to do these ones with the glitter in them. And I have, what I have for these are the little bows. So I got one bow here. Let's see how this looks on here. Looks great. There it is. And then I'm going to do the other bow on this one. And this one reminds me of last year's Christmas box. They had bows on there, but they were layered. And so you didn't have to reverse paint them. But it kind of looks like those bows. But I love the bows. I think they're cool. So there we go. There's that one. All right, and since I did the purple one, I want to do this one next. And this is the design with the snakes in it. The lace and the snakes. And I want to do that with a purple background. So I'm going to put this over. Try to get the snakes and on the one side, the full snakes on here. Ooh. Okay, so there is the snake one. I had to pat it down a little bit. Little snakes were flying all over the place. So that turned out cool. And then the last one that I want to do is this white one. And for the white one, I'm definitely going to have to, let me get this in camera there. The white one, I'm definitely going to have to do the, some more of the smudge for top coat so that it sticks. Can't get the stuff off my stamper there. Okay. See if we can move this over a little bit. Okay. All right, so this is the other design that I reverse painted, and it's the skull. So I did red outline and a white skull. So let's see how it looks on this. So while we're doing this, let's do this one first. I should have done this one first so it would dry. Might as well do the rest of them. I think these always turn out so much better once you put the top coat on it. Ooh. Okay. Back this off a little bit. It's still too wet. So let's look at this plate again. So here are the designs. After seeing this one on here, the spiderweb one, I really like it. Okay. All right, let's take the skulls and put those on. We should be okay. I've got them upside down. I guess it doesn't matter. Put the one skull right in the center. Ooh, that turned out cool. Now, I don't think, very rarely do I use this many color base coats, but I thought it would be cool with all these colors. So, and I do. I think it looks great with this stuff. I really like the skulls. I didn't expect them to turn out so well, but I like them, especially on that white background with the gold flecks in it. You can really see it. Okay, so let's put my thicker top coat on here. And of course it's Glisten and Glow. Should we try? Let's try, let's use some with sparkle and some with, some with gloss and some with matte. So that had a gloss. And this is Glisten and Glow Matte. So I'm going to put that on here. I'm going to put this one on here. Okay. I'm going to put, I think, I'll do the rest in shiny gloss. So do this one in gloss. And this one in gloss. I really like this one. I really like the base on this one. I don't know if you can see this on camera, but it's really, the gold flecks really show through. All right, so let's zoom this in. See if you can see this. Yeah, I think you can see a little bit. But yeah, these turned out really cute. Now, I would have never, when I first seen this plate, I was like, meh. But I do like the bows. I like all of them, but I really like the way the skull turned out. Really, really, really like that. That'd be cool in black and white too, but I wanted to do some red. I haven't done any red for Halloween, so I thought that was cool. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video, and these plates have been out for a while. So if you're interested in getting them, please remember to use my discount code. It gives you 10% off, and it gives me a little bit of money for giveaways. And my discount code is NS10. So I hope you liked the video, and thanks for watching.